Willkommen and guten Morgen, mein Schatzis! And welcome to today's version of DIVE'S Social Distancing Omelette Series, number 41! In today's omelette, we will be taking Italian truffle cheese, some good old American broccoli, a wonderful skirt steak, some French butter, and 2 jumbo eggs, and combining it all to make a lovely, lovely, lovely omelet. I'm going to shred the steak, put it in a frying pan with the broccoli, warm it up, make the pancake, and eat some yummy goodness. So let's get started! So, using high-speed photography, I was able to chop the broccoli, slice the steak, and shred the truffle cheese. Now let's make an omelet. Okay, in my well-heated cast iron frying pan, I will now just saute and let all of this goodness get up to temperature. Get the broccoli to wilt. Just get the skirt steak, which has been out on the counter for about 20 minutes, just to bring it a little closer to temperature. So we can have some yummy, steaky, eggy wiggy goodness. Yes, this is the German/pro wrestling segment of our omelette in the morning. We're going to let this cook for a couple of minutes. Meanwhile, while lurking in the dark, my other frying pan will now receive the butter. I'm going to melt the butter, beat the eggs, make a pancake while everything else is just going on. As you can see, the broccoli is getting a nice greenish color. The meat is really starting to loosen up itself, get back to its nice temperatured wellness. 'Cause I'm cooking on the stove, warming up broccoli and some skirt steak. Will it taste good? Yeah! I don't care if people think I can't sing, I'm gonna do it anyway. It's almost done. I really don't know what's going in tomorrow's omelet. Whoa, I hope it is good, 'cause I don't like to eat crap. Ooh, I really want to eat good food. I really want to eat good food. Well, this good food is just about done. The butter's melted. I'm going to leave that off to the side to cool. And now I'm going to plate this off to the side. Because I don't want to cook the meat. I just wanted to get it back up to its wonderful, wonderful temperature. Oh yes, I got to cook the meat. I love good food. Look at the color the broccoli has. Okay, let's get back to the eggy weggies. And here comes the butter. One for the money, 2 for the show, 3 to beat the eggs, and let's get going, beat it. Come on and beat the eggs. You can eat your French toast and pancakes, but I'm beating eggs. It's time to beat the eggs in the morning. I'm cooking late 'cause I woke up this morning. I'm gonna beat my eggs till they're nice and fluffy and I don't have to beg. That's a nice and fluffy. So now we're gonna put them in the bowl. From the bowl into the pan. And here comes the Eggy Weggies. Let's hear it for the Eggy Weggies. Let's get ready to make an omelet. Okay. Egg and butter in the pan. Let's hear it for the egg and butter crew. Gonna do a different technique today. We're gonna bring it up to high heat and just slowly bring the curds to the middle. This omelet won't be as fluffy, but it'll be almost as thick. You also cook on a higher temperature when working this way. And now, I'm not sure if I should go for a flip or dome it up. Let's see how we're looking. This is not going to be pretty. I should have practiced this before I did it again, because I've been doing the dome for much more than I've been doing the move of the curd. She doesn't want to play with me today. Day-o. Day-o. Eggy not playing and it's sticking to the pan. That's why I do the other method normally. Because you keep getting rid of your butter. Let's see if I can flip it now. She's not going to be a pretty omelet. I already know that. Try to squish it down, get some size. Now we put our shredded truffle cheese, because this is going to have to be quick. We put our lovely, lovely broccoli and steak. And now, for this wonderfully overstuffed, ugly looking, oh, it's not so bad. We went for the very, very quick fold. And I want the cheese to melt, so now we'll dome it up and reduce the heat to low. Okay. That should give enough, more than enough time for everything to get nice. And here we go with the quick release. Don't know if that made it on camera or not, but let's Put the meat back in the bowl. And there we have a lovely, lovely skirt steak, truffle cheese, and broccoli omelet. Let's go for the bite, shall we? Well, here we are with my beautiful omelet. We got steak, we got broccoli, we got truffle cheese. Now I'm going for a bite. Want to make sure I get that cheesy goodness, because this is all about the truffle cheese and the steak. Look at how that gooiness is separating apart. We like our gooiness. We like our soft chewiness. Oh no, we've fallen. Help, help. Back on the fork, everybody. The truffle cheese is so delicious. I should do this more often. Steak is perfect medium tender. The broccoli is crunchy and crisp. Also cooked to perfection. Well, it's almost brunch because I woke up late. I know what I'm having for brunch. What are you having? Have a great day!